This is the finished look for this Splatter Avant-Garde makeup, whatever. Avant-Garde is really just creativity. You can do whatever you want with it. It doesn't have to be anything set. There's no rules to it. It doesn't matter how you make the splatters. It doesn't matter what you use, just as long as you be creative and you have fun. This is a makeup look inspired by a video that Glam&Gore did, Mikey, and I will link her video and her channel down below. I really wanted to try it. I think I did a pretty good job considering I'm a very amateur makeup artist. I wouldn't even call myself a makeup artist, makeup enthusiast. She's amazing, her videos are amazing, and I'm really happy that I got a chance to try this. So I'll definitely link that down below so you guys can go take a look. But if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then just keep watching. Hey guys, it's Ariana, welcome back to my channel. So today we're actually going to be starting to dabble into more of the, I guess, special effects side of YouTube. So I probably already have sparkles all over my face. So today we're actually going to be trying out a Glam&Gore video. So I will tag her YouTube down below so you guys can check out her video that she did and her channel in general. If you guys don't have her followed or subscribed already, do it. She's my favorite YouTuber and is an amazing makeup artist. So as you guys can see, we've moved the room around and now I don't have all of the storage behind me and I finally have a wall behind me, and yeah, it's kind of boring right now, but it'll get there. So today we're actually going to be doing a Avant-Garde styled look. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking a Ben 9 Liquid Set Waterproof Mixing. So this retails for $14.95. I get it at my Carrie's Costumes in St. Albert, so shout out to them. I will link their Instagram down below if you guys are interested in purchasing from them if you live in the Edmonton area. So this is the liquid that I'm going to be using. You can't use water for this look because it just won't work. It'll set the makeup, whereas this won't. So that is the mixing liquid, and I just have it in a dish like this. And then I have all of these NYX pigments that I'm going to be using, and I have NYX Away We Glow, and I got a jumbo eye pencil, and I have a liquid eyeshadow white, and then I have my Jeffree Star lipstick. So we're going to be starting off by taking a brush like this. I find a stiffed bristle brush, but this is the best I could come up with, so I hope this works. So I'm going to be taking my pigments. I'm going to be dipping it into my mixing liquid. So I have it right here and I'm just dipping into it. And then I'm going to be going into my pigments and kind of just going ham. So I'm just taking it like this and splattering it anywhere that I want. The closer you have it to your face, obviously, the more it'll show up. And this bristle brush actually works pretty well. I got it at Walmart. Now the really cool thing with Avant-Garde is there is no rules. You can do whatever you want and nobody can say that you're doing it wrong. think you would get a better effect at this if you were using a stiffer brush. I'm just trying my best here with the one that I found. So I'm going to go in with more purple because that one really showed up and it was really cool. Now that I'm sufficiently covered in paint and glitter all over my hands, I'm going to be taking this Away We Glow, and I am going to do some tears. I'm just going in and touching this up and just making it a little bit smoother. Now that it's almost dry. First I'm going to start off by going in with my eyelashes. So I have taken normal eyelashes and I have tried to turn them white with the NYX Lid Lingerie. So this is the matte in the white color just to make it white. And so I'm just going to go in and quickly put these on. I'm just going to go in with the Jumbo Eye Pencil by NYX, and I'm just going to do my waterliner. And I'm going to go in with more pigment. So I think I'm going to stick with, let's try and get like really vibrant. So let's go in with this really, really light, almost like white yellow. It's like an off-white color.
Time to scare the children. How do you feel?
What?
So I'm just using my Clay Off palette to get some pink sparkles on here. It's not really working that well, but it's working enough. But we're getting another color in here. So I think I'm gonna go into my makeup kit and I'm gonna grab a Nye sparkles. So these are red. And I'm just going to carefully them on my brush and get some red in here.
What?
Nelson, hang on, I got you covered.
It's harder with sparkles because they tend to just kind of fall off, but oh, there we go. So we got a sufficient amount of pigment all over our face. I'm gonna go into my Take Me Back to Brazil palette and I'm just going to scrape off a little bit of pink onto my plate. Hot, hot, hot pink. So if you guys don't have pigments, that's an easy way to get pigment, is to just scrape the top layer of your eyeshadow palette of any color that you want. So I'm going into hot pink. I think if I had a stiffer bristle brush, it would work better, but this turned out really cool so far. So now I am going to put more of this Away We Glow. I'm gonna put it onto my bristles directly and just see if we can get a cool effect. This is all just experimental. If you guys didn't already grasp, I have no idea what I'm doing. I wish I had gotten a pink pigment, but I don't have any. So I think this is where I'm going to leave off with the splatter because it looks pretty freaking cool so far. So I'm just taking a lot of my mixing fluid on a normal brush, just like this, and some silver eyeshadow, and just letting it run down my face, but I may need a fuck ton more. Letting it run down my face as tears. So I'm just putting my head down and letting it run. And now I'm gonna go back into, sorry if this video is all over the place, guys. I really am just experimenting here. There's no set way to do this. You can do whatever you want. This is just for fun. Really want it to run down more, but it's being a pain. So I'm going to take a little bit more of, so I'm just gonna go in with the Jumbo pencil and just go over top of my lids and try to make it more white. The NYX eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow stuff to make the eyelashes white didn't really turn out. I'm just gonna keep trying to make them white, but it doesn't really work that well. I wish I could find white lashes, but there's none in Edmonton that I could find. I tried NYX and some costume stores and they didn't really have anything. So, yeah, whatever. I think this look is turning out pretty cool so far though. It looks really crazy. So I'm going to take the Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks here. I'm just going to zoom you guys in. Actually, no, you know what? It's fine here. So I'm just going to take the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Breakfast at Tiffany. Looks really cool. And then I'm going to take some of that liquid eyeshadow. And try to lighten it even more. Make like an ombre effect. And I'm just going to take a little bit more of my liquid mixer and a hot pink. And just go over.
So usually when I turn myself into a skeleton, I don't know what you do.
Seems like the closer you get with the bristle brush, the more of an effect you get. Because this brush is just a little bit too soft. So keep that in mind if you want to recreate this project, to go with a stiffer bristle. I think I'm just going to finish this look off with going into a little bit more of a gold color.
Are you excited, skeleton? Of course we are.
And I think that's where I'm going to leave it off for the makeup part of this look. It's really fucking weird. So the last thing that you need to do is get a wig and put on some creepy contacts. So I will be right back and I'm gonna go do that. This would be amazing for Halloween or a glow in the dark party or anything you want really. I'm going to be setting up some black lights and taking some real cool photos. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope it turned out similar to Glam&Gore's. I know it was hers, that it's going to be 10 times better than mine, but I really wanted to try it because she inspired me to get creative with it. And yeah, this is, I can't really see what it looks like because these contacts are very hard to see through, but this is the finished look. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like my video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. We are almost at 150 subscribers, and once we hit that, I will be hosting another giveaway. So please make sure you hit that button. But without further ado, thanks for watching. Bye!